Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about why many experts believe that the joint effort by the United States and Israel to weaken Iran has not fully succeeded. The United States and Israel have worked together for many years to reduce Iran's military powers and regional influence. They have used economic sanction and intelligence operation and military action to put pressure on Iran. However, despite these efforts, Iran has continued to remain an important player in Middle East. Iran still has stronger military capabilities, missile program, and close relationship with the groups and allies in countries like Lebanon, Iraq, and Yemen. Supporters of the United States and Israel strategy says that pressure has slowed Iran's progress and damaged its economy. They believe sanctions have made it harder for Iran to fund its projects and develop advanced weapons. On the other hand, critics agree that the strategy has not achieved its main goal. They says man Iran has adapted to the pressure, found new trading partners, and continued developing its defense capabilities. Some also believe that military strikes has increased tension instead of bringing long-term stability. The situation remains very complex. The United States, Israel, and Iran all have different security concerns and political goals. Because of this, finding a lasting solution is difficult. Many experts believe that diplomacy and negotiation may be the best way to reduce tension. Others argue that strong pressure is still necessary to stop future threats. The debate continues and there is no simple answer. In the end, the Middle East remains one of the world's most sensitive regions. What happened between the United States, Israel, and Iran will continue to affect global security, energy markets, and international politics. And what do you think? Can diplomacy bring peace, or will tension continue? Tell me in comment your opinion. If you like this, enjoy this video, please tell me in comment, like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.